Okay, so everyone gets a participant pack, and as you can see, it's been translated into various languages because it's that popular around the world. We just need to boost it here in Australia because it's amazing. So everyone gets a Scoring My Personality Dimensions scorecard. So all the activities we do today go onto this. I have some people that have come back to workshops 5 years later and they've still got this, which is saying something. There is an Introversion and Extroversion sheet. This is an activity around whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. It's not a massive part of personality dimensions, but it's great for the team building exercise that we do in the workshop. We have a form that's called Traits and Characteristics, and this is like a scorecard as well. And you go through and you have a look at which category you prefer. So there's green, gold, blue and orange, which I'll go through with you. And finally, the all-important document or little brochure that people have on their desks, and you can keep it somewhere really close by, is an outline of each of the colours. So if someone in your team is acting a bit out of sorts and not usual, you can go to their colour and go, ooh, what's happening for them, and then try and look at ways that might help them get back on track again. So this is like a little personality dimensions Bible, I guess you could call it.